Hey guys, today I want to share the 3 reasons why you should use Google Drive. For those of you who don't know what Google Drive is, check out the link below. You may think of it as a combination of cloud service and Office suite. Dropbox is a cloud service, and Microsoft Office is an Office suite. Then you may ask, I've been using Microsoft Office for a shit tons of years. And there is Dropbox. So what is the point of using Google Drive? My answer is, when two different things combine, they are no longer the same. Let me show you why Google Drive is unique. First of all, it is efficient for group work, as all of the work you do with Google Drive is on the cloud. It syncs almost simultaneously when you progress. If you share the document with your team members, they can see every single change you made real time. When you want to share the document, just click the share button, and you can authorize how you are sharing. My own preference is anyone with the link can edit it. Then just copy the link and send it to whoever you like. Okay, now I'm the team member and I don't have a Google account. I can edit the document and leave a comment. But what really makes Google Drive powerful is that team members can work on different aspects of the same document at the same time. Formatting, typesetting, or change the wording you used. They can even plot a graph using a data while you are still entering new data. The second reason is user-friendliness. You can organize your documents very easily in Google Drive. Everyone knows the power of Google search. In Google Drive, if you want to find a document but you could not remember the name of it, you could just remember part of its content. Say you could just remember Captain America is in it. Then all you should do is search Captain America. Then you can find the document immediately. Not just that, you know it. Google services are always free of charge. How about Microsoft's Office? I'm not trying to be offensive, but we have choice. With Google Drive, you don't need to worry about working with different platforms. What you need to do is to have a web browser. Windows have it, Mac OS have it, even Android and iOS have it. The last reason is equally important, that is, security. Have you ever tried before when you are working for a report towards the deadline, 3 a.m., and then suddenly, you know what happened? The last time you saved the document is 10 p.m. So, how about replacing a new version with an old version? It's all gone. If you use Google Drive, it won't happen. It automatically saves all your work whenever you stop for a couple of seconds. And all of the previous versions are stored. You can always refer to your progress and restore when you want to take a step back. Even if a document is deleted by chance, you can still find it in the trash. For the rest of this video, I will briefly guide you through the layout of Google Drive. Okay, this is the main page after you log in your Google account and enter the Google Drive. It is the headquarters, and you could see all of your folders, your files, your documents here. And the activity panel is like the Facebook notification, except that you could see who modified your documents and when. There are several types of document you could create with Google Drive. The most common three are document, presentation, and spreadsheet, which is equivalent to Word, PowerPoint, and Excel in Microsoft Office. Let's take a look at some example I have, such as this presentation demo. This is like a PowerPoint, and you can see how it was modified before. Now it's live sucks and X sucks and then live sucks again. I don't know. Any comment? No. You've already seen the spreadsheet and documents. Let's take a look at the form. The form is like a survey, and you could create some question sets for a particular population, and you have several templates. I choose this cookie, and view in live form is like that. Let's see. I don't know what hungry means. It's recorded, and I could see the result, get the summary, the analysis, and you could send the form to the population you want to get the result from. Rather intuitive. And that's it for today's video. And finally, just my 2 cents. I do recommend you to try out Google Drive. It's awesome, but I don't suggest you to fully rely on it for work at this stage, because in some case you might not have access to internet and it could be dangerous.